What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercised for 30 minutes.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had toast and eggs.
Did you go to work yesterday?
Yes, I went to work at 9 a.m.
How did you get to work?
I took the bus.
Did you meet anyone at work?
Yes, I met my colleagues.
What tasks did you complete at work?
I completed my reports and attended meetings.
Did you have lunch with anyone?
Yes, I had lunch with my friend.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a sandwich.
Did you take a break in the afternoon?
Yes, I took a short break at 3 p.m.
When did you leave the office?
I left the office at 6 p.m.
Did you go shopping after work?
No, I went straight home.
What did you do when you got home?
I relaxed and watched TV.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I cooked pasta for dinner.
What time did you have dinner?
I had dinner at 8 p.m.
Did you clean up after dinner?
Yes, I washed the dishes.
Did you go for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed at home.
Did you read a book before bed?
Yes, I read a few pages of a novel.
What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 11 p.m.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
Did you set an alarm for the morning?
Yes, I set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Did you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I drank tea instead.
Did you do any laundry yesterday?
Yes, I did my laundry in the afternoon.
Did you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I made my bed after waking up.
Did you check your emails during the day?
Yes, I checked my emails before lunch.
Did you have any meetings yesterday?
Yes, I had 2 meetings in the afternoon.
Did you go for a run in the morning?
No, I didn't go for a run.
Did you take any calls while at work?
Yes, I took several calls.
Did you work on any new projects?
Yes, I started a new project.
Did you visit any friends yesterday?
No, I didn't visit anyone.
Did you take a nap during the day?
No, I didn't take a nap.
Did you buy anything yesterday?
Yes, I bought some groceries.
Did you watch any movies last night?
Yes, I watched a movie after dinner.
Did you spend time with your family?
Yes, I spent time with them after work.
Did you go out for dinner?
No, I cooked dinner at home.
Did you check social media?
Yes, I checked it in the evening.
Did you visit a park yesterday?
No, I didn't visit the park.
Did you do any cleaning at home?
Yes, I cleaned the living room.
Did you call anyone last night?
Yes, I called my parents.
Did you eat out yesterday?
No, I ate at home.
Did you water the plants in the morning?
Yes, I watered them before breakfast.
Did you run any errands in the afternoon?
Yes, I went to the bank and the post office.
Did you catch up on any TV shows?
Yes, I watched a couple of episodes.
Did you listen to music while working?
Yes, I listened to some calming music.
Did you pack your lunch for work?
Yes, I packed a salad for lunch.
Did you visit any relatives yesterday?
No, I didn't visit any relatives.
Did you help your kids with their homework?
Yes, I helped them after dinner.
Did you exercise in the evening?
No, I exercised in the morning.
Did you have a busy day?
Yes, it was a very busy day.
Did you talk to your neighbor?
Yes, I spoke to him in the morning.
Did you eat breakfast on time?
Yes, I had it at 8 a.m.
Did you miss any appointments yesterday?
No, I didn't miss any.
Did you charge your phone last night?
Yes, I charged it before bed.
Did you finish reading the book?
No, I haven't finished it yet.
Did you go to bed early last night?
No, I went to bed late.
Did you bake anything yesterday?
No, I didn't bake anything.
Did you take your pet for a walk?
Yes, I took my dog for a walk.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
Yes, I slept for 8 hours.
Did you make any important decisions yesterday?
Yes, I made a few decisions at work.
Did you study or work yesterday?
I worked for most of the day.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Did you attend any classes yesterday?
No, I didn't attend any classes.
Did you spend any time outdoors?
Yes, I went for a walk in the park.
Did you write anything yesterday?
Yes, I wrote a report for work.
Did you watch the news yesterday?
Yes, I watched it in the evening.
Did you drink enough water yesterday?
No, I didn't drink enough.
Did you organize your desk?
Yes, I organized it in the morning.
Did you eat any snacks during the day?
Yes, I had some fruit in the afternoon.
Did you pay any bills yesterday?
Yes, I paid the electricity bill.
Did you clean your car yesterday?
No, I didn't clean my car.
Did you visit the library yesterday?
Yes, I borrowed a book from the library.
Did you do any writing at work?
Yes, I wrote several emails.
Did you travel anywhere yesterday?
No, I stayed in the city.
Did you attend any events yesterday?
No, I didn't attend any events.
Did you take the elevator or the stairs?
I took the stairs.
Did you buy anything online yesterday?
No, I didn't buy anything online.
Did you visit the gym yesterday?
No, I didn't go to the gym.
Did you have a productive day?
Yes, I got a lot done.
Did you drive to work yesterday?
No, I took the train.
Did you enjoy your day off?
Yes, I had a relaxing day.